And how long were you without HVAC or without heating?
I've been without HVAC for at least maybe 2.5 years.
Your daughter, you're telling me your daughter calls you up and says, I have some fantastic news. And you're like, what is it?
She says, Mom, I won. I was like, you won what? So she says, no, an HVAC system. I said, you're full of it. So she came home and she told me, and I was like, you've got to be kidding me.
Right.
My radio station, 94.7, you
Yes.
listen to my station and you want an HVAC system?
Wow.
Oh my goodness. So Rod called me on Friday and congratulated me, and I was like, are you for real? And he said, yeah, I'm for real.
Yeah.
I was like, oh wow, this is just awesome. So